Hello everyone! So today I'm going to react to a YouTube classic. I think it's a YouTube classic because it's a video I saw a long time ago. I haven't seen in a while, and so yeah, it's a new series I'm starting where I'm just going to react to classic YouTube videos that either I just haven't seen in a long time, or maybe they were popular back in the day and I never watched them, so I'm going to watch them. One I will never watch is Two Girls, One Cup. That's a classic I don't ever need to see ever in my life. So the one I'm gonna watch today is called Keeping Your Refrigerator Stocked Will Get You Many Women. I remember watching it years ago and I thought it was hilarious, so I want to watch it again. Also, you know, just so you guys can see it if you have not watched this video, but it's pretty awesome. So I'm excited to watch it again after not seeing it for a while. So let's watch it. A well-stocked kitchen will get you women.
What's up, y'all? Know it's your boy MrChiCity3, man. Yeah, now a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying? You know I put you onto the whip game, put you onto a lot of things about the card game. You got any questions, holla at me. Right now, you know what I'm saying? You in a nigga's kitchen. Hold on, just for the moment of silence for the brand new Italian tile. Yeah, they just put this down last night. Isn't this shit cool as hell, man? Pure Italian. Alright, fuck that shit. Anyway, okay, alright. So I was at my nigga's crib, okay, and I was trying to tell the nigga if he could just do small things to his shit, like his kitchen and his bathroom, he'll have women everywhere, dropping vagina panties all over the place. You know what I'm saying? He thought I was bullshit. So I said, look, I'm gonna do a video of something small like my refrigerator, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna show you that I'm real with the shit. Alright, hold on, one more thing. Y'all see this shit? It's a chrome garbage can. I ain't never seen no chrome garbage can. The shit's from Egypt and it flips over like this. Ain't that some cool shit? Alright, fuck that shit. Okay, alright.
I love how excited he gets about the little things.
If you have an assortment of drinks in your fridge, it's gonna open up the world. Women are gonna come over here, they're gonna be comfortable. I know it sounds silly, but I want y'all to feel me on this right now. Oh yeah, nigga made a pizza. Well, I was hungry. Okay, fuck that shit. Okay, bang.
Made a pizza.
Nah, I know a lot of y'all like, come on, man. Why you got nothing but drinks in your shit? Why you ain't got no food? I'm gonna tell you why.
Nice fridge.
See, when different women come over, different women like different things, my nigga. You know what I'm saying?
That's
so like,
true.
for the mature, this real talk, for the mature chick, you know, over 30, who still drinks juice, you hit up with the Mystic. They always get Mystics. I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? Then the snappers, that's for like the suburban chicks. You know, they come over here, they be like, oh my god, ChiCity, like, do you have anything to drink? And then I'm like, yeah, Becky, I got fucking snappers off. Oh my god, you have so many flavors. This is crazy. I don't even know which one to take. And I'll be like, man, just whatever you want to take, yo. You know what I'm saying? Now, the vitamin water, that's for like the chicks, you know what I'm saying, who stay in shape. You know, they might come over to your crib after they leave the gym, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? The Smirnoff Ices, you dig? That's for like the chicks who, you know, it's their first time coming over here. They want to get their drink on, but they don't know you well enough to get drunk around you, so they just get their buzz on with the Smirnoff Ice. Okay, now y'all already, now if you're a real nigga, I ain't gotta say cherry coke. That's for the hood chicks, cause I got Flamin' Hots, and then I hit them with the cherry coke. They in the Red Bull. That's really for me. I ain't gonna front. I'll be kind of tired in the morning. Then I hit them with the Hawaiian Punch, the Sierra Mist, the Pepsi. As you see, this shit goes all the way to the back. There ain't no front shit. Exactly. I stay stopped with shit. Arizona iced tea, really for the classy, bougie hood chick. You know, she too good for the cherry coke, so she drinks like right. Okay. Then the Lipton, the green tea, man, that's for the holistic, you know, vegetarian. I don't eat meat.
I don't like that green tea. That Lipton one is gross.
And I'm real earthy type, you know, fucking Erica Badu chicks. You know what I'm saying? And of course, niggas for the hood chicks. Damn, I got a draw Kool-Aid, nigga. What flavor you want? You know what I'm saying? I mean,
red,
you know, I might go
punch,
with the
red.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the blue.
Those are freaking good.
Okay, then
those
we got
are
water.
good.
Again, for the in-shape chicks. You know what I'm saying? We got the Perrier water for the fucking, you know, sedity chicks, more vitamin water shit. Now, hold on, one more thing. If you a real nigga though, real niggas, you only got two. Damn, we were throwing shit. You only got two things in your shit. Sweet Baby Ray's, nigga. Yeah, that shit.
Sweet
man,
Baby Ray's.
And then motherfucking ranch. I mean, if shit, niggas, we don't eat blue cheese. Black people don't eat blue cheese. We eat ranch.
Ranch
and
is
hey, look,
nasty.
my dad was over here the other day. He thought I was playing. I can't believe it's not butter, man. This shit, you could drink this shit, man, and it ain't butter. It's like butter flavored, but it ain't butter. Shit is real fucking good, man. Real talk. Now, a lot of y'all saying, well, what about, you know, for the hold on. Get money, get paid. Okay, we go. Now, sometimes the women, they bring their kids over here. You know what I'm saying? Be fucking me up because I'm trying to hit that ass. Right. So you know what I did, nigga? Bam! Hit them little niggas with a freeze pop. That's right, nigga. So she bring her kid over here and I said, well, you want a freeze pop, little nigga? Because he just gonna cock block you anyway. Hit him with a motherfucking freeze pop. All type of flavors. We got like fucking 400 in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And if you like me, every once in a while you might kick it with a big girl with a pretty face, but just a fat girl. Hit it with the pizzas, the motherfucking ice cream sandwiches. I got pretzels, Eggos, you know, hell, look, I got even more shit.
Carbs,
Then
baby.
you open up this. Bam! Snacks on snacks, nigga.
Snacks on snacks.
7, 8, 9 different flavors of cereal. We got Pop-Tarts.
Oh
man,
my
we got
gosh.
popcorn, toffee, wheat thins. Nigga, what you want? I told a big girl, baby, come on, get your snack on, baby. Feel comfortable. You know,
Get
you
your
breathing
snack
heavy
on.
as hell. I know you hungry. You know, 7 different flavors
I know you're
chips.
hungry.
Got chips in this month. I mean, damn.
Barbecue chips.
Now, sometimes,
Those are
okay, if a girl bring her kid over to your spot, you know what I'm saying, you gotta throw him off. So that's why I'm gonna take y'all over here. Let me walk to the front room right quick. You gotta throw that little nigga off, okay? Cause he gonna cock block you cause he don't want you near his mom. So then you take the little 5-year-old kid, you say, look, little nigga, which one you wanna play? You wanna play the PS3 or the Xbox? See, that's gonna fuck him up because he ain't used to having an option. Then you let him play on the big ass screen. You see, I got the PS3 on right now.
He ain't used to having an option.
Bam, again, just the PS3, Xbox. Or if you don't want to do that, let him just watch cable on the cable Comcast box. Let him do his motherfucking thing. You know what I'm saying? And it's all good.
Good
Well,
tip.
anyway, that's all I really want to put y'all niggas on to. Have your crib set up, man, to make the girl feel good. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, she gonna be making you feel good. You niggas already know. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get my... Yeah, let me go ahead and get my thing. Oh, where my
Give me
Kool-Aid at? Damn. Get my Kool-Aid. Oh, yeah, one more thing.
Vitamin
To the
water.
makers of Kool-Aid, would you niggas stop putting the juice all the way to the top? Because when I twist the motherfucking cap, I put it, the shit explodes like a goddamn grenade. Then I got blue juice all over my white carpet. Look, man, I appreciate you trying to give me as much juice for the value, but look, put the juice, cause look at this shit. See, now the juice is all at the top. You see, put the juice down here so when I open it, it don't spill everywhere, okay? Trust me, I ain't gonna miss it. You know, these motherfuckers cost like $5 for $1, okay? Thank you. Anyway, y'all know, MrChiCity, man. Do your thing, get your whip game proper, get your crib together, and remember, get money, get paid. Alright, I'm out of here.
Oh my gosh, I love that video. It makes me so happy. I have not seen it in so long and it makes me so happy I still remembered it because I remember certain lines because I remember when I first saw it, I watched it a lot and I showed it to a bunch of people. When I had a fridge, I don't have a fridge here right now, but when I have had fridges, after watching this video, I actually put that up on the fridge, get money, get paid, because I was like, that's true. Get money, get paid. And I just love it. It made me so happy and it was just hilarious, you know, and I actually like, you know, I think it's a good tip to have, you know, just to be hospitable. If you're gonna have guests, you know, have a variety of drinks for your guests, you know, have some entertainment, snacks on snacks. Just the lines are just so quotable and it's classic. So let me know what you guys think of this video, if you've seen it before today or right now is your first time watching it. And I'm gonna link the original one below if you want to go to his channel and check out his other stuff. If you can like and subscribe and do all that stuff, that will really help me out with the YouTube algorithm because YouTube does not like to support smaller creators, just the ones that are already famous and don't really need any more help. So yeah, and if you want to create an Acorns account, it's a investment company that Ashton Kutcher was one of the founders of. Link in the description below. You get $5, I get $5. That's cool. I'm also on Fiverr.com. I'm doing personalized videos. Oh, also like Google and Skype chats. Links down below. And I will talk to you guys later and I can't wait to check out more YouTube classics. And if there's any other YouTube classics that you want me to check out, link in the description below. And no, 2 girls, 1 cup. It's not gonna happen. Alright, bye.